Hermes Agent with Minimax M3 is a game changer. Minimax M3 is a new Chinese model that brings insane intelligence at very low prices, and this model can now be your daily Hermes Agent driver. Essentially, it can act as the brain of your Hermes Agent for daily tasks so you can afford it and keep costs low. So, in today's video, you are going to see two very high quality examples that I just created with Hermes Agent just to show you the power of connecting Hermes with M3. Hermes Agent is the self-improving AI agent that has taken over the internet. It's not a copilot, an IDE, a wrapper. It's an autonomous agent that has an built-in learning loop. It can create skills just from your requests, and M3 is a model that is super powerful, super cheap, and you can use it with Hermes right now. You can tap into your Minimax subscription that will give you nearly unlimited usage for such a low cost. And the way you do this is very simple. I'm going to show to you how to use your subscription, set it up with Hermes. I'm going to show you also some very nice examples that I created for you today. So before we begin, Minimax M3 is a very good model, and on their website you can go and find the token plan. These are plans that are monthly, and instead of paying for the API pricing, you can pay monthly subscriptions. You can get nearly 1.7 billion tokens every single month of M3 usage. Currently, I'm using the max subscription and I rarely go over 15% of my weekly credits, which is absolutely insane. And the model is very capable. Don't believe me? Well, I'm gonna prove it to you. So first of all, you need to install the Hermes desktop, or if you want, you can install the CLI. Then everything becomes very simple. Click on the settings button that I just clicked, go to providers. Then what you want to do is go to Minimax and you can put the URL and the API key. If you've got a subscription, you go to the model tab on the settings, select Minimax, select the model you want. It will open up a new window where you just log in on your Minimax account, and boom, you are connected. Minimax now can be used inside the Hermes agent. Just make sure to open up a new session, click here on the models tab, refresh models, and you're going to find all of the beautiful models here. If you hover over a model, you will be able to select the reasoning effort. In my opinion, always go with max with these kind of models because they're not the smartest ones, but they're super cheap. So what I created today for you is this beautiful landing page that you just seen at the demonstration, initially the demonstration in the video. And look at this beautiful web page. Yes, this was created with Minimax M3 and Hermes agent with a single prompt, which is insane. Don't believe me? Well, let me show you. So I asked it to create a beautiful landing page presenting today's video with Hermes agent and Minimax M3. It went ahead completely automatically, opened up the browser, tested everything, and boom, it's done. It gives us the file location so we can open it up and see the setup. Not lazy at all. Beautiful, great generation, great responses, great, beautiful landing page to kickstart this video. Also, what I did is I asked it to completely autonomously go ahead and use the hyperframe skill. So it went ahead, searched the internet for the skill, used the skill. I then told it to create a promotional video about Hermes agent and Minimax M3, and boom, it actually did it. It shows us the location of the deliverable. And the greatest part about this is that this was done super fast, super easily, without me having to do anything. And you've seen at the start of the video this beautiful animated graphics video that shows a visual presentation of what we will show on this video today. So you can already see that we did two very high quality generations, one shotted with skills out of nowhere with Hermes agent. And literally, this is absolutely insane. This Hermes agent is not even supposed to be a coding agent, but it does everything. And we power it with Minimax M3. So what I want to show you is I want to go into the console to show you my usage. So plan details, plan usage, and we used only 5% of my quota, of my weekly quota. And I'm already at millions of tokens today, 24 million. And still I haven't hit my limits, not even the 5-hour limits, which was just 3% for these two prompts. Guys, this is a game changer. And if you want to learn more about AI, go to the link in the description and join my 50-hour AI course. It will teach you video, image, text, code, design, generation with AI. I continuously update it with new material. Now we're bringing autonomous agents like Hermes Agent, and there's so many more things happening soon in that course. Get it now, super cheap. I just want to give you the best material possible. That's why I set the lowest price possible on Udemy. 50 hours of high quality courses there for you. Thank you so much for watching.